Okay, so let's do the question 67, I think. So 67 actually have two programs in there. One of them is going to be fairly easy one, so I'm not going to explain this one too much about these things. You're gonna use the equation right here, and that's pretty much all you need to do. But for the question number 135, I need to explain this one a little bit. Eventually you're gonna have to figure these things out, but I'm just gonna explain this in terms of the how you solve the problem, and then along the way you might actually find something that key values, and then I'm gonna talk about that one too. So the reaction is given right here, right? This is a reaction. So starting out with this guy right here, what you need to do is separate two half reaction. So that's the first step, right? And then you're gonna use the procedure to balance out all the stuff which is written in this page right here. So you're gonna have to follow this just like this, right? So you're gonna have to follow this one to actually balance both half equation or half reaction. Okay, and then try to cancel E minus when you add these two reactions. At this point, you're going to get the value of n, and I'm going to tell you that this is going to be 6. So make sure that you get this value right here. You may not actually get the exact things right here in your balanced equations. That's because this is in a basic solutions. So I was explaining that one in the, today's lecture. So how to actually convert the acidic environment into the basic environment, right? Just by adding the H2O becoming OH minus and H plus, and then just cancel the H plus to produce the OH in the right way, right? And then once you do that, then you're gonna have to figure out what is the formula that you want to use. You can use either this one, or you can actually use this one. This one is a little bit simpler, so I use this one. You can completely ignore this V right here. That's just a unit. So just that, right? And then what is the Q expression, right? And then E and E naught is given. These two are given. So you can actually solve for Q, right? So once you do that, let me just write out the stuff here. Okay, so all the numbers are given, so you can solve for Q. And then once you actually solve for Q, then you can actually start solving for OH minus concentration. And then get pH, pOH or pH, right? pOH and pH. And for that pH values, you should get something like 7.11. So all it says is 7.11. So once you get that one, then this problem is pretty much done. So yeah, then try to somehow come up with 7.11. This is a great exercise, so I want you to figure it out by yourself. Okay, that's homework.